Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to copy data from Excel or CSV file to Power Query directly without connecting to any data source. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So right now I am in Power BI desktop, and from here I will go to the Power Query editor. So I'll click transform data, and again I will click on transform data to go to Power Query editor. So now in the home tab, you can see enter data. So actually you can directly enter using this option. You can directly enter a data in Power Query. So let me show you if you in case you don't know this. So let me click on enter data. And here you can see the column. You can change the column name like I'm saying country ID, and I'm creating another column. And here I'm saying country name. And now I can enter a data 1 for India, 2 for USA, 3 for UK, like that. And from here you can also change the table name. So I'll say country, and I'll click on OK. So once I will click on OK, the table will be created. So as you can see, the country ID and the country name here. So we will use a same option for copying a data from Excel file to Power Query. So let me delete this. Now again I will click enter data, and I will keep as it is. And here I have a Excel file actually, and you can see product ID column, products, and the price. So I'll copy whole data along with the column name, and I will say Control C, and I will come here and I will select the column and I will say Control V. Data is also copied. Product ID, product, and the price. Here we can change the table name. So I'll say product master, and we are good to go. Now I'll click OK. So you will see the table in Power Query. So table is created. So you can see here the product ID, products, and the price. Same like whatever the data we have in Excel, same is copied here. Okay. Now I will click on apply and close to bring this table in Power BI. So now you can see here three columns: product ID, product. Let me add a table visual, and I can say product. First I will say product ID, product, and the price. So you can see the table. So you can see the table, not count. So I'll say don't summarize. So is a product ID, product name, and sum of price. I can also say don't summarize. Okay. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.